Right now, if you're just starting out or you have a store already, the main thing to focus on is landing pages, okay? Now, what I'm about to show you today is an app in the Spotify App Store that creates a landing page that looks so professional. Even I was shocked when I come across it. Not only that, but I'm going to give you a secret to how you can find your product and get a company to package them, send them, do everything you want, even the product pictures as well. Now, I'm going to jump straight into the video and show you what I'm talking about. Right now, up first is those landing pages, and of course, we are looking today at GemPages landing page builder. This is available in the Shopify App Store. I will be showing you a demo store and how you can link it to your account as well. But what we can see here is you can use it directly with Shopify admin, works with the latest themes, has a massive rating of 4.9 over 2,500 reviews. Okay, so what is it? It's a page builder for growing brands. Okay, you can effortlessly conversion focused page builder. You build the sales funnels with post-purchase upsell offers. The conversion focused page builder chooses from over 400 templates. So you honestly can choose from any which one which will meet your brand. It will also meet any ideas, any styles that you want to have. You can launch holiday and special event campaigns effortlessly, enjoy the fast loading and SEO optimized pages as well. And the big thing is they have done a huge update at the moment for version 7, which actually means they've got a new UI for the element settings, including a new sidebar. So stay tuned, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I mean by them. But if we look at here, we can see you can build high converting sales funnels, nice, easy click and drop, and you can literally create a little funnel in the back office of Shopify, which, let's be honest, is the ideal situation. Not only that, you can tailor your store to perfection, mobile responsiveness, and preset elements as well. They've also got well-researched Crow templates, and it's integrated with multiple different popular Shopify apps with a 24/7 customer support. If we look at the demo store, this is exactly what you could have for your product. Okay, so you can have obviously the reviews at the top, and then they've got multiple different brands as well. You can obviously have winning brands use funnels to boost AOV, which we all know that, and I'm sure you know that clicking on this. So you get your advertory page, product page, checkout, and then an upsell at the end. Because let's be honest, upsells are the way to make the money. Now, these are some of the templates you can see, and obviously these are looking very professional. Whether you've got a fitness brand and you're selling nutrients or supplements, or whether you have a dog brand and you are just want that nice homely feel. But obviously there are product pages and also food and, like I said, supplement pages as well. Now, if we scroll up and just go to that demo store, this is what you could have for your page. Okay, so as you can see here, very appealing to the eye and very informative as well. You've got all of your bits here, start barking doggy delights. You've got the reviews, you've got everything you honestly need. Now, if I were to say start baking doggy delights, and then I add free pack to the cart, and then if we go to checkout, then obviously you have everything integrated as well. This is everything that you would need from start to finish with your store. Now, if we scroll down as well, you can obviously see that there are multiple different things. You can even have a review section or a comparison section with other brands compared to your product, and frequently asked questions with all of the lovely little customer service bits at the bottom. Now, what I'm going to do is log in and put this onto my store. But yeah, once you want to integrate that to your store, all you have to do is click install, follow the nice simple process, and you'll be in where you can actually work out and also get everything set up to that professional brand, even your fitness one that looks like this great image. Now, if this is only the one step in the plan, now once you have your website, landing pages, etc., you're going to need to find products. Okay, now the products and fulfillment service is with Fulfillman. Okay, this is fulfillman.com. Links will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But what you can see here is fulfillment services and drop shipping from China. What I can do for you, like it said, drop shipping, China sourcing, but I also do Amazon FBA services, crowdfunding fulfillment, product photography, private line as well. Now, why should you choose them? It's because they've got a global reach and local expertise, personalized support, and cost effectiveness. Who is it suitable for? I promise you, if you're watching this video, it's for you, because it's for entrepreneurs, small businesses, drop shippers, and global brands alike. Now, how does it work? It's honestly so simple. You select your product from the extensive catalog, you integrate it with your Shopify store and that landing page you've just created. Then you mark it and sell. Now, fulfillment will handle everything with the order. Once you get the order placed, they will locate, they will ship, and they will do the product photography for you. Okay, now that's obviously nice and simple. It takes away all those boxes in the background. It takes all the hassle of having to not only find the stock, but then once you've got it, you've then got to package it, you've got to send it out, you've got to go to the post office, you've got to go anywhere. Fulfillment do everything like that. You can obviously make your store and then let it run in the background, allowing you to focus on making everything perfect with your brand. But there we have it, guys. That was GemPages with landing page builder and also that fulfillment services. Like I said, all the links will be down in the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next next video. But for now, peace.